Hey everyone, the team from AVH is back. We have new tips for vitality and health. Let's talk about something we all crave, a delicious, easy way to shed those extra pounds. We're diving into the world of slimming juices. Creating a juice that's both tasty and effective can be tricky. But don't worry, I've got you covered. We're about to unlock the secret to a fantastic slimming juice recipe packed with natural goodness. Get ready to sip your way to a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Academy of Vitality and Health. Here we focus on helping you live healthier, teach you about your health and body, feel amazing, and improve your lifestyle. Join us on the journey to vitality and well-being. Let's discover a healthier, happier life together. We've all been there, right? Trying to lose weight can feel like an uphill battle. Cravings hit hard, and staying motivated can be tough. But here's the thing. It's not just about eating less, it's about nourishing your body with the right stuff. That's where our magic slimming juice comes in. It's packed with nutrients that can help curb those cravings, boost your metabolism, and give you the energy to smash your fitness goals. Ready to ditch the weight loss woes? Let's do this. Now let's break down the stars of our slimming juice recipe. We're not just throwing any fruits and veggies in a blender here, we're using ingredients backed by science to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Get ready to learn why these ingredients are about to become your new best friends on your weight loss journey. First up, we've got spinach, a powerhouse of nutrients. This leafy green is low in calories but high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing those pesky cravings. Plus, spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health and well-being. Remember, healthy weight loss is about feeling your best from the inside out. Second, cucumber, cool as a cucumber, effective for weight loss. Next, we're adding some refreshing cucumber to the mix. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating, which is essential for weight loss. Staying hydrated helps to curb your appetite and can even boost your metabolism. Plus, they're naturally low in calories and can add a satisfying crunch to our juice. Who knew something so refreshing could be so beneficial for weight loss? Third, lemon, zest up your weight loss journey. Now, for a zesty kick, we're adding some lemon. Lemon is a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins and boost your digestive system. A healthy gut is key for effective weight loss. Plus, the vitamin C in lemons can help boost your immune system, keeping you healthy and energized as you work towards your goals. Fourth, ginger, spice up your metabolism. Last but not least, we're adding a touch of ginger. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can be helpful for reducing bloating and discomfort. But here's the real kicker. Ginger can help boost your metabolism, meaning you burn more calories throughout the day. It adds a little zing to our juice while giving our weight loss efforts a helpful boost. The ultimate slimming juice recipe, step by step. Alright, are you ready to make this incredible slimming juice? Here's what you'll need. 1 cup packed spinach, half a cucumber, chopped, half a lemon, juiced, half-inch piece of ginger, peeled and chopped, 1 cup water. Instructions. 1. Wash all your ingredients thoroughly. 2. Add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. 3. If you prefer a thinner consistency, add more water to your liking. 4. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness. See, I told you it was easy. Taste the transformation, delicious and effective. So how does it taste? This slimming juice is refreshing, slightly tart from the lemon, with a hint of spice from the ginger. It's a delicious and easy way to nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, this juice is a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle along with regular exercise and a balanced diet. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Share your experience and tag me on social media. I love hearing about your health journeys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and vitality advice. Share this video with friends and start your healthy lifestyle journey today.